just like the orange, be very careful how you cut. Watch your hands. You don't want any accidents. The reason we use a black magic marker is that we can see the line that we're cutting. This is called our motor skills. Each of us have to learn at a certain age motor skills. And this project helps us to use just that, our motor skills. So we're coming into the stretch with this one, to the wrist, and yay! Ta-da! 2 red hands. Yes. Okay, our last color, yellow. Yellow. Just like the orange, just like the red, we are going to cut nicely on the line that we created with our black magic marker. We traced our hand ever so carefully and ever so nicely. And now here, we are cutting our hand ever so nicely. This is going to be a beautiful fall autumn tree. Here we are. The last finger. Cutting around. And all the way down to our wrist again. Ta-da! Yay! The yellow is finished. Yay! So now right here, kiddos, we have our orange hand, our 2 red hands, and our yellow hand. Perfect. Now, we need our glue. We take a red hand. We take one of the yellow. And we take one of the orange. We place the orange right in the middle, as you see. So for some reason, I cut the orange bigger. So it's perfect that the orange will go in the middle so you can see him. We place it down on the table. We pick up the glue, and we're going to glue all 3 colors together. All 3 color hands together, just like you see here. Now, gluing these 3 hands together makes it look like a big bunch of leaves on top of our tree. Now later on, we're going to cut out leaves, and we're going to add leaves to our hands. Our hands actually represent branches on our tree, right? So our fingers actually represent branches. So we need leaves on our branches, right? So here, I'm just gluing as much as possible our branches together. Put the top back on the glue. Always put the top back on the glue, so we won't lose any glue. And here you are. Here you have it. This is perfect. Here are our branches. Yay! So let's put that to the side and do it one more time. Again, we take our glue, open the top. This time we're going to glue the yellow on top of the orange and the red on top of the yellow, but still the orange is in the middle. So that's perfect. It works out perfectly. I'm holding my hand there so the glue can dry just a little bit, so everything can get stuck together. Ta-da! So I just moved it a little bit, just like this. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, I put here, I turn it over, and I add a little bit more glue. I just want to really make sure that it doesn't fall apart. This is perfect. Ta-da! Yay! Okay, put that to the side. Put the scissors to the side. Bye-bye scissors. And of course, always put the top back on the glue, and let's say bye-bye to the glue. Okay? Now, next, we have our tree branch, our glue, and what we're going to do here is add a little bit of glue, as you see here. And we're going to glue the hands, which is our tree branches, onto the tree itself. So again, as you can see, the red hand, the orange hand, and the yellow hand, all three represent tree branches. As I said, later on, we will add beautiful, beautiful, beautiful leaves onto our branches. So here you are, yay! Ta-da! We're going to do it one more time. We'll glue just a little bit. And glue our red, orange, and yellow hands that are representing our tree branches onto the tree. Now here I'm just pressing the glue onto the branches so that it will stick and it won't fall off. Ta-da! Wow, look at this. What are these, kiddos? Where did they come from? It's our tree leaves. Beautiful, beautiful leaves. A little small one. So cute. We have a medium size. We have really big sizes too. Wow. So, this looks great. Let me show you how I did that first, okay? Let me show you how we created these. So, I have my black magic marker, my scissors, and my construction paper. What I did was I just created a pattern, okay? I just used my imagination, and I was thinking about what a leaf would look like. So I drew what I thought a leaf looked like, okay? Hold on. So I picked up my scissors and I cut out the pattern that I drew, okay? And I got this, okay? Move the construction paper to the side. So I have a big one and a small one, all different colors, red, orange, and yellow. I take my black magic marker and using my imagination, I draw what I think a leaf pattern would look like. And I think it looks like this. Again, just using my imagination. You use your imagination too, kiddos. What you think a leaf pattern would look like, please draw it. It does not have to look like TK's. Use your imagination. You want to put hearts on your tree? You can put hearts on your tree. You want to put stars on your tree? Please, go ahead. Put stars on your tree. Okay? So I'm continuing here, using my imagination and making patterns on top of my leaves. Just like this. I put the top back on my black magic marker and finish, and here you are. Look at this. Wow. Do you like it, kiddos? These two beautiful autumn trees. Hey, kiddos, so I really, truly hope you enjoyed making this awesome, awesome autumn tree with TK. Little TK's back there. He had a good time. He just watched. But look at all the wonderful autumn colors. Can you tell him? Can you tell them? Can you tell me? You can tell little TK too, but can you tell me all the colors you see on both of these trees? Can you tell me? Go ahead. That's right. Orange, good. Yellow, good. Red, good. And what color is the tree bark? Brown, you got it. So we had a great time creating both of these trees. Please continue to subscribe to Doremi Learning Antics. We are bringing so many fun arts and craft videos your way. We have a really fun and exciting, I think, fun and exciting Halloween arts and craft that I hope that you will do with me as well. Remember, we have ants go marching one by one. Music video coming your way as well. We have so many fun things coming, kiddos, and I truly hope that you continue to watch, okay? We love you here at Doremi Learning Antics, and we hope to see you in the next video, okay? All right, bye.